how to turn off Google Assistant on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can turn off Google Assistant on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your settings app. Then once you're here, you can scroll down and look for the Google option. Here you can scroll down again and click for the settings for Google Apps. Next is you need to click the search assistant and voice. Then click Google Assistant and scroll down here until you find the general. And then there you go guys, as you can see, my Google Assistant is turned on. You can turn this thing off if you really want to. So yes, and that's how to turn off Google Assistant on Android. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.